I got my hands on the official Starbucks Bearista glass, and after seeing so many lookalikes online, I wanted to do a full unboxing first, then compare it to one of the most popular dupes so you can know exactly what you're getting. And let's open it. Right away, the presentation is really nice. Everything is packaged securely so the glass doesn't move around during shipping. Since this is a collectible glass, that's something I always pay attention to because these can break pretty easily. And this is why people are going crazy for this. The detail is the hat. Instead of just giving the bear a regular lid, Starbucks made it look like it's wearing one of their classic white Starbucks caps. Then on top, you get this unique strawberry straw topper. It's small, but it's one of those little details that makes the whole cup feel complete and ties into the Starbucks summer collection. You have the pink Starbucks lettering across the front, and the lid matches the theme perfectly. I also ended up picking a winner, so here you go. Thank you for watching and subscribing and liking and always commenting. We also have the pink straw, also matches everything pretty well. This thing is pretty secure. But you're noticing the box. If you got it at Starbucks and it didn't come with the box, it's okay. It's still authentic. I was lucky enough that I seen some with the box. So I asked the lady and she gave them to me like that. Once you take it out of the packaging, the first thing that stands out is just how clear the glass is. It has a nice weight to it too. It doesn't feel thin or cheap. It actually feels like a quality collectible. Now let's look at the bear itself. This is the official Starbucks Bearista design. It's just sitting down, looks like a gummy bear, and the proportions are pretty clean. You have the little black eyes, the raised nose, the mouth, and everything is centered really well. Even without any paint, it's immediately recognizable as a Starbucks Bearista. As a collectible, I honestly think Starbucks did a great job on this one. It's very hard to get, it's different from their usual tumblers, and it's one of those pieces that immediately stands out on the shelf. If you would like to see the FIFA World Cup or even the Sombrero one, let me know in the comments. And if you want me to go in depth with the Jack in the Box glass cup, let me know. And supposedly there's a new Snoopy collaboration that's gonna come out soon, so I'll make sure I'll post that one on here. And this is how you know it's authentic. That little piece of paper that shows you how to wash it inside the cup with a rubber band. Let's open it. Now here's where things get interesting. You want to talk about dupes? This is the dupe. I've seen a lot of people online comparing this bear cup, but honestly, once you put them side by side, they're actually pretty different. Well, let's talk about the obvious. The official barista wears the white Starbucks cap with the red lettering. The other one wears a pink beanie, so that's the fastest way to tell them apart, obviously. Also, the stamp in the bottom, the Starbucks logo in the front, very standard. The body shape is a little different too. The Starbucks bear has slightly different proportions, especially around the arms and legs. Although from far away, they're both obviously bear-shaped glass cups, the lids are completely different and the accessories are different, and even the overall theme is different. I wouldn't say someone is going to accidentally buy one thinking it's the other if they're paying attention. The differences are actually pretty easy to spot on. At the end of the day, I actually think both are nice. They just appeal to different collectors. If you're specifically looking for official Starbucks Barista, make sure you're checking the hat, the lid, the face, and the Starbucks branding before you buy.